very good in studies, getting very high mark, and that student is very capable of picking up languages very fast. That means already the student may be capable of speaking 3 or 4 languages, and academically very good in studies, getting a very high mark. And normally we consider that person as somebody very good student. But then you just imagine a student who gets very high mark in almost all the subjects, but then that student is not capable of controlling his or her emotions. That student is not capable of handling pressure situations, difficult situations. Then these days we can't say that student is really a good student. We become a good student together with our academic performances. We should be able to control our emotions, whether it is positive or negative emotions. And added to that, we should be capable of handling any difficult situations or moments, or even emotional constraints or emotional difficulties, things like that. We should be able to control. Only that students will be capable of achieving the goal that they have set.
Good morning to each and everyone. I am Ashley of Class 2C. Is going to deliver a short speech on the topic mother. Mother are very precious person. In this world, mother loves and cares everyone. She is the first teacher of a child. She teaches us to be truthful, helpful, and mindful. Therefore, we should always love our mother and show gratitude and respect. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Everyone, today's word for the day is do what is right, not what is easy. Thank you.
When once a grandmother was instructing and teaching life lessons to her grandson, and she said, life is a fight between 2 wolves, and the one wolf is represented by good, and the second wolf is represented by evil, and one is represented by like hatred, enemy, resentment, anger, pride, ego, and things like that. And that means all that is negative in life. The other side, the other wolf is represented by all that is good, like peace, joy, forgiveness, goodness, and things like that. And the boy was a bit doubtful, and he asked Grandma at the end, which wolf win the battle? And then she said, the wolf that you feed most will win at the end. The animal that you feed most will win the battle. That means in your life, whichever you give more importance, like suppose you give importance to hatred, resentment, anger, and ego, pride, things like if you give importance, and that is the evil that will win in your life. Whereas if you give priority and feed, like goodness, forgiveness, love, affection, care, hard work, punctuality. So when you give importance to these these things, that particular side will win the battle.